right, so let's talk Studebaker, baby. What year?
1958.
1958 Studebaker here, and tell us about it.
It's a 1958 Scotsman. She was completely restored about 20 years ago. It still shows very well, and you know, runs great. Rebuilt motor.
What size motor is it?
It's a 6-cylinder, 185 cubic inch flathead 6.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hopefully, again, it's the flathead 6.
Yeah, it's a Scotsman model. It was the lowest priced model that Studebaker built.
Right, but now the price is up because it's old.
Oh yeah, exactly.
How much are you asking for it?
I'm asking $4,800.
$4,800, right? $4,800, guys. Why don't you give me your number now and I'll show them the car.
All right.
Go, tell me your number.
It's 610-247-8053.
All right, guys. So there's the phone number, and here is the car. Can we open the hood?
Sure.
All right, he's opening the hood. Let's go look at take a peek at the inside and the outside. 58 Studebaker. I assume that's the stock color.
No,
it's not.
The Scotsmans came in a base green.
Can I open the door?
Sure. And
Careful, don't get it caught on there.
black and white. They didn't have metallic paint jobs.
They didn't know. Yeah, that's right. I guess I should have known that. They didn't have metallic paint jobs. This is a metallic car. Are those the stock hubcaps?
They're actually Packard hubcaps.
Oh, they're Packard. Okay, you got Packard hubcaps on it.
Yeah.
The frame's looking good in there.
Yeah, the body was off the frame.
Yeah, you can see that.
Completely redone. The motor.
This is a pretty rare car, isn't it?
It is, you know, because it's like I said, it's a Scotsman, so a lot of people didn't save them. They ended up in the junkyard, but this one was, like I said, completely repainted, motor rebuilt. It's got the overdrive transmission that I installed.
And that's original paint on that motor?
I don't believe so.
You don't think so? I'm sitting there looking at it going, I can't really tell.
Yeah, no, it was been completely redone.
Very nice.
Yeah. So.
All right, so there's the inside, and I'm glad we took a look in there because that is gorgeous.
Yeah.
And here's the outer body. I bought an old license plate, and it's banging against my leg. The whole video series is like banging license plate. She's clean, guys, out of Maryland. Bumper's got a little dent in her. She's got a little custom little line work there. There you go, Bobby. I'm thinking of you. There you go. Bobby always gets these unique images of classic cars, and there's my unique image right there. Okay. Very nice. All right, let's do it one more time so they don't have to rewind. Let me have your name and number one more time, and you got to yell it because you're pretty far away from it. Go ahead.
It's George Hazard, and my number is 610-247-8053.
All right, tell them MustangMedics sent you, and then at least you can appreciate me from afar, right?
Definitely. Thank you so much. Well.
All right, so there it is. He's pulling out right now, but we got a good look at a Studebaker. And I apologize, guys, not for having a Mustang. But I got here late.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, very nice. Very nice. Oh, I was just closing up, and as I'm walking away, I realized she's even got new tires too, guys. Good people here, and really excited little dogs. Does she bite?
No, he does not.
Are you sure?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna pet the dog. Come here. Come here. There you go, puppy. Aw. Yeah, he's friendly. Cute dog. Thank you. Thanks. All right, so that's it. I'm out of here. I petted the cute dog. My mission's complete. Again, guys, I'm sorry for not prepping better and getting here earlier, but I made church a priority, and I'm not going to feel bad about that. Thanks for watching. Don't thumbs it down because you didn't see any Mustangs. I showed you some Matchbox cars, right? Doing the best I can. Again, sincerely, thank you for watching. There are other channels. The one I will talk about is Isolation Kills. If you are dealing with anybody with depression, I really highly recommend going to Isolation Kills. That's a channel with purpose. Mustang Medic is just a lot of fun, I hope. Thanks for watching.